Hey guys, it's Ashley Janae here. Welcome back to my channel. And this video is a little bit different. It's a hair tutorial, and I bought this synthetic wig, and I always buy synthetic wigs, and I was like, let me just show the people how I revamp my synthetic wig to make it look like this. Okay, y'all would think these are bundles if y'all didn't know me, huh? What's that mean? Just don't run your fingers through it, because you don't get a little snack, okay? But if you guys are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you would like to see more videos like this, and comment down below to let me know what you guys would like to see more of. It's beauty supply.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hello you guys. So this is a little bit out of my comfort zone for me to come on here looking like this, but hey, I decided to, before I doctor up this synthetic wig, how about I come on here and show you guys how I do so, because I know it's a lot of people who might not have the funds to go out and get a full lace wig made or something like that, and they just need something quick for a certain occasion. So we are about to turn this bad boy into this. I will list a little clip right here to basically show y'all what it looked like when I freshly opened it out of the package, the lace construction and everything. So it is a Freedom Part lace, and it is this brand here. But let's get this started. I did put this wig on earlier, threw a hat on because I did have somewhere to go earlier, but I didn't want to do everything to the wig and not record, so I just cut the lace off, slap the bad boy on, and boom. And y'all, the braids underneath here are just literally, I just did it sloppy. I'll probably re-braid it this week when I have time. So first I am going to pluck this wig. Yeah, I'm horrible at this. So I am going to put some makeup under the cap and on top, but y'all have to be very careful when it comes to these synthetic wigs, because I have put so many holes in my wigs due to me being very rough with it. So you really have to take your time, be gentle. So if you're in a rush, this is not for you. So I am about to pluck this, and I will come back with a before and after. So this is it, plucked and ready to go. Now I'm about to add some foundation underneath my cap. Okay, let's see what we have. It still looks dark, but that's okay. We're gonna fix it. Okay. I should have put it on before I plucked it, just so y'all can see the difference. Y'all see the humps? So don't mind. I'm gonna try to maybe. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera, y'all. I'm looking in my cameras. Lola, she always wanna not let me be great when I'm recording. So what I like to do is I left a little bit of lace at the top just so I can create like a little baby hair. y'all can see. Like there's like a little piece right here. So I'm going to cut a little piece right here. I'll probably not even cut it. I don't even need to cut it. I'll probably just do a little swoop. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little. Actually, scratch that. Start doing more hair videos, so y'all bear with me. This is my first one. So I'm about to add my Gots to Be glue. And my edge control brush. I need one of those mirrors so I can not. This is good for makeup, not for when I'm doing hair tutorials. It seems so bulky. Should I? Let me see. What if I was to part my natural hair? Let me see something. That's crazy. This is gonna be a hot ass tutorial, hot mess. A hot ass mess. Let me see something, y'all. Did that look a little more natural? This part is just so I think it's just humps. These humps are bothering me. So I'm mixing some of my natural hair in with the swoop with the false hair. Since I put my hair behind the hair.
Are you sure about that?
A little bit more natural hair sticking out. So I can't do it with this holding a mirror. I gotta do my little swoop technique. Let me see. Boom. You sure? I think it'd be better if I swoop it this way.
What the hell is this?
I think the other way was way better. I think I need to pull my cap up. Y'all see? Cap, scalp, hot ass mess. Yeah, that's me. Look at this. What am I doing? Okay, let me try to master this swoop and I'll be right. So this is what we came up with. So because the swoop, it just looked really crazy with this thick ass lace. So I just decided to bust it down the middle and just do baby hairs on the side instead of doing that swoop in the front. I'm just going to pat that in the front. It is so difficult trying to look at it through the camera. Okay. And
Ta-da!
if you guys want, actually I'm about to cut a little bit more layers in the front to layer my face. Let me show y'all the back. Not Beauty Supply. Simple, cute. I hope you guys like this video. Just make sure you guys keep it up. Do not sleep in this wig for sure. Put it back in its right packaging because you don't want to leave it out. So thank you guys for watching this video and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, beautiful people.